First of all, ma'am, how are you, ma'am?
Yes, I am fine.
So, what is? I'm also great, ma'am. So, what is your name, ma'am?
My name is Sridevi.
Oh,
Sridevi.
Siri Devi. So, what's your qualification, ma'am?
Doctorate.
Doctor. So, ma'am has done doctor degree. It's great. Okay, ma'am. So, I'm going to ask you if the person, if the students they start complete 12th class, where they can go is a good opportunity in now in fifth generations. They can go in doctor field. They can go engineering field. Yeah, they can go on the another field.
It's related to their interest, based on their interest. Okay. If the student having interest, then only they can lead to next level.
Next level.
If we forced to do something, na, it's not about to success.
Yeah, you are absolutely right because some people are some family are they have the own my son become that type of persons, but the son has the different goal. So because of the mother and father, because of mother and fathers, they did same things. But after the doing the educations, they feel a regret because they did not interested, but he took that department that course because of mother. So they will regret his life. After that, they cannot do anything his life. It is true or not?
Yes, it's very true. That's only I told like that.
So in which your department you are doing job?
I am working as assistant professor in MCA department.
If the person they can join in your department, then what are the qualification is there they can join?
They must complete a UG degree, or otherwise in a UG degree he must complete the max paper or computer science paper, or else if doing some non-major student na, then he select in 12th standard compulsory he studied max.
In any stream, in any
In
stream.
any stream they can join, but if they join MCA, na, he must completed max subject in a 12th standard.
12th and standard. This subject, if you have there, they can join lots of. They have a lots of opportunity there. So what do you nowadays the people have the barrier of language. So what do you think about these things?
Yes, for language, all of them is struggling for communication. Students also, faculty also, because they are come from Tamil medium. Na, it's
Yeah.
very difficult to communicate in English.
Yeah, absolutely right. You are. So it is nowadays it is important. Yeah, not communication skill.
Yes, it is very much important.
How
So
much? If I give the percentage, 90%, 20%, yeah, 100%.
it's 100%
100% for everyone.
Yes.
So,
For studies or for working purposes, it's very important.
working purpose is for you, not for working purpose. Any person, I think anywhere, if the person they can into start the business, if they don't have the good communication skills, they cannot do his life is they cannot grow his business in the international level. They can grow in the national level also, but they cannot start grow up at international level. Am I right? Not ma'am.
Yes, right. But in a basic level, they don't need to communicate in English. But we need a communication with their own language. If they are in fluent in Tamil, na, they use that language for that.
So when did you understand? So you say English is very important for me.
For me, when I'm completed, when I joined to my UG degree, I'm from Tamil medium student.
Okay.
So when I joined to UG degree, BSc Computer Science, so that time teachers are taking the class in English, but I can't able to understand in English, and also I can't able to
Right.
take notes
Okay.
continuously.
Okay.
But nearby my friend taking a notes very fluently,
Okay.
so it's very difficult for me to understand.
That
That time I need to analyze. I am lagging here, so I need to learn. On the time we are communicating English only in a college time.
Okay. So how much you did hard work to learning this language?
No, I didn't put that much hard work for that.
So now you are able to speak English very easily and very comfortably. How, ma'am?
Not that much comfortable. I didn't.
Because of environment, environment impact you or not?
Yes, I'm working in a department. I'm working in a college. In my college also North Indians. My section also North Indians.
I am also North India from. I am also from Bihar, ma'am.
In my department, all North Indian students is favorite for me.
Okay.
All the students is
They are close to you.
very close to me because I am doing all the things for him because they are not no Tamil Nadu students going to their home after 1 week leave,
Yeah,
but they are
They are staying. They are
staying
communicate with
they are
you.
missing their mom, dad like that. So they I give some much of caring extra
Caring
for
extra.
them.
These things.
So they are teaching me English, Hindi also.
Hindi also. You know
Some-
little bit Hindi also.
Little bit.
Little bit. I kuncham. I also know Tamil also little
When I
bit.
go na, they are also asking me like, "Ma'am, puriyudu," like that. They also said now they completed their degree. I missed them lot because they are very much punctuality. They are keep up the punctuality. Then very much what I am telling.
Good and great.
Good and great. Very much. They given a more
More for-
respect to the teachers. When they coming now, first they miss me. Hi, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Once I call also,
Okay.
they wish me good evening, ma'am. But Tamil Nadu students mostly they did, but not that much time. If I seen now, then after 5 minutes I seen also they wish me.
Yeah. In North Indian students, they always they give. So nowadays, the people are facing also lots of problems. Skill. So for getting a job, so the people are the students are there studying. Lots of degree they are studying, but they don't have the exact skills. So that's why they're facing the job. So what are the skills they can get job easily in basic skills they have?
Basic is based on their
Domain.
based on the domain or choosing the department in companies. Like they are choosing IT company, like a software engineer, na, they need to know the programming side.
Yeah.
Okay, any one language in Java or anything, they must know in and out of all the things.
Yeah.
Not a basic. In and out of all the things.
You should that any language you pro that level you can get easily job. If you have skills, skills I have, but if you have that skill in pro level, you can get job easily anywhere. Am I right or not, ma'am?
Yes, very right. In Java, if they know Java in and out, na, they get. If they have a skill, definitely they got a job.
Yeah, you are absolutely right, because the so many students the another departments they are going some another where, they are going some another where, but whatever your department, you any subject, yeah, any skills, if you choose na in 4 years, any years you are degree doing, definitely in coming to last years you will get job easily. Whatever things you are doing you can get, but in most of the things whatever you have skills, but if you don't have the communication skills you can't get job. That skills like a showcase. Am I right or not, ma'am?
Yes, right.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am is a very great ma'am. She done very good things for me and also for you also. Because the lots of students here are facing the problem for getting job. You should do job, you will get job. Because if you don't have the communication skills, you cannot get job. So what you have to do first? What if I ask you 4 things? What are the things if the students have, they can get job easily, very easily?
Need to know the communication. First, they come and stand in front of all of them.
Yeah.
First,
So
face
confidence.
all of them.
Confidence. You have to face the
Stage fear.
stage fear. The lots of fear. The public fear, stage fear. The people have the glossophobia. We can say the public fear, glossophobia. So first, you have to generate the confidence. Then after second,
Second, the communication level. They need to improve their level of communication.
okay.
Because all the companies must do the first round. It's very first round group discussion.
Yeah.
In the group discussion, they must know the about the
Your communication,
communication
is
skill.
good, yeah, no?
Very much communication skill is important for the group discussion.
Okay. For third,
For third, they need a punctuality, timing.
Timing
Need to
management.
complete the work on the time.
on the time, timing management. If
Timing.
you have that, will help you to get job. And last one is skill.
Last one, learning.
Learning.
Because learning not having an end. Okay, if we starting learning in Java, na, it's not an end to learn Java. We need to learn something more. It's with our own interest,
Yeah.
not with the focus on another one.
Okay. You have given the lots of things for all students, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends, because the so many people are facing the problems for getting a job. But if you have these 4 and 5 things, you will get very easily job, and also you will get very good things and high level positions. Thank you so much, ma'am, and also most welcome to you came here and give this little bit introduction and as well as give advice for students. See, these types of, if you have confidence also, now you can talk anywhere, you can do anything. You know, nobody will say that I can't give you, I can't hire you. They will automatically hire you, because what they need for us, any company, what they need, they can manage all these leaders, they manage all the staffs and workers, they staffs, these things, employee, they need that type of person. If you have this quality, you can become that company good leader, HR, CEO, these things, in any college, in any system, anywhere. That's all these things. Thank you so much, ma'am. Nice to meet you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
All the best.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Bye bye.